Hi, my name is Ella Cressman with Ella Cress Skincare. I've been a licensed esthetician for over 10 years and I am an ASCP member. I'm here today to show you some really cool tricks in the treatment room. So let's get started. The next treatment room tip I'm going to show you is the acupressure massage technique. This can be a 15 or 30-minute add-on service, and it's an excellent way to encourage the lifting along the jawline and above the eyes. For the acupressure massage, you'll need the massage medium of your choice, whether it's oil or cream. And if you prefer gloves, this is an excellent time to put those on. I prefer to use just clean hands so that I can really feel the client's skin. For our model here, I've selected a cream. I'm going to just go ahead and apply that. This gives you a nice slip as you're performing the massage, and also adds a little bit of nutrition to the skin. So what you're wanting to look at is watch the client's breath. As the client's chest rises and falls, that's one breath. For a 15-minute massage, you'll do each movement for 5 breaths. For a 30-minute massage, it's 10 breaths. So about 30 plus seconds per. You'll time it and you'll get a groove. So you're going to begin by using your fingers and in a brisk motion, just pulling up at the chin. The next movement is from the chin to the jawbone. As you're performing this service, you're going to imagine you're literally pulling the client's energy up, up, up. Then you go from the jawbone up to the ear area, using about a light pressure, but it's always excellent to check in with your client. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. Then you're going to gently progress over. This type of massage is excellent to perform bringing blood flow to the surface of the skin. You might see it in the form of light erythema. We know that blood flow means nutrition. You're going to repeat on the other side. Again, jawbone to ear. Depending on the add-on time you're wanting to do with this, watching the client's breath. Then you come from the ear up to the temple. Same thing, using the pads of your 2 fingers and across the forehead. This feels so good. This time you're going to move on to your skipping method with just 1 finger. If you prefer your pointer finger or your middle finger, it's up to you. I prefer the middle finger because it has a larger pad, so I'm able to move a little bit more fluid and tissue. You're just going to skip up from the chin, across the jawbone. Again, imagine lifting up. And you come in right near the nose, and this feels so good in allergy season or anytime there's congestion. Working right over any imperfections, especially those that need healing. So awesome. Never losing contact with your client. That way it doesn't give them an opportunity to flinch. Never leave them wondering what to expect, right? Just let them go ahead and release into the massage. My favorite right here. Same thing, skipping briskly. A brisk little skip across the face. Now you're going to go into your point pressing. Start at the chin. Same amount of breaths. Then you move to the Cupid's bow. Sides of the nose. There's one here. You can feel a little dip, and that dip is right where the point is. There's one here. you could see our client, she's got a little pink. That's awesome. That means we're doing our job. And we come up to the forehead, press. And you could skip up to the next point. Skip up to the next point. The eyebrows are one of my favorite areas, not only because it's a really easy place to feel if you're in the right points, but it feels so good when you're receiving this. And then you feather off. Thank you. That was the acupressure technique tips. Again, this is a 15 or 30 minute add-on service, and with repeated services, you'll be able to not only see more lifting, but also reduction in the fine lines.